ones. Like, yeah, I'm working on the other ones. So, and then it works. There you go. It's just weird. Yeah, it's just weird. Okay, so, but I'm back. I'm back. So you saw some of the production. There you go. So, let's see. So 512. It's gonna be a while here. So in the meantime, I was gonna talk and put like a PR chat kind of a thing, but I don't know if people wants to show, happy moments. Technically, on my Linux, on my Linux is installed. So if I go, I wanna check out if I can add, for example. Hello, what's up? Oh, hello. Oh, it's the same thing that is says that I'm here. Okay. Zoom, audio, color source display, capture, and then it says scene, pipewire, and display capture, and then text and video, pipe wire, video capture, and can we go on? Is this pipe wire? And it's like, okay. And then grant access, turn camera, put this device, high spring camera. Can we actually see it? And it's turned off. Yeah, it's turned off. So I'm not gonna show that. So this pipe wire, I don't want it. I don't want that. So I'm gonna remove it because I'm not interested in that. I want to see if I can add the screen capture or can send the or settings. Can I stream it to show all? No, how about service custom? And I can put a server about it. I don't know. Oh, look, I crashed. Hello? Hello? Who's still connected? Uh, Can you hear me? Oh. Mm. Hello? Okay. Maybe, I don't know. What the hell's going on? I think something happened. I'm gonna try to log in onto reach. Starting package to install. Mm. Seems to be working. So I just register on the NDI. So there's no NDI on my end, so I have to install it. Hello. I can. Is it working? Oh, I think my machine crashed. Yep. Yeah, it crashed. I can hear you, but it's all weird. Hey, Suit. Hi, Zodiac, Sudi. I'm trying to actually make like Linux, and that's what you're actually watching right now. Like all the insanity is that program this, program that, but it doesn't work. So I have to put something like that on the background so you can see what's going on. Hey, what's up? Oh, it's dancing. Nope. So I need to. It was HMod or something like that. HMod. Okay, install. Hold on. Linux. Install. Target. So basically says, I am newbie Ubuntu. I'd like someone to explain me how to command and unzip and install targc on a file. So you can go tar blah blah blah. And that's not it. Also, the answer is not here. How does one install targc files regardless of the distro? Blah 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 blah. Targc is just files archives, similar to zip files. How to install depends. None. So there's a flat pack. So the way that I can find this is on here. I'm gonna go NDI tools. NDI tools. I think it's called. No. NDI. I have the NDI, but I have it as distro NDI settings on my. Can I send this to an? I don't know. So. Okay, so this is kind of weird. Is there anybody there? Yeah, Nathan Smith. Hello, how are you? Good, good. I'm alive. Playing with Linux, but I cannot send. Can I send it through WebSocket? Oh, interesting. No. Configure NDS source desktop. I have it. It works. It's working on my end. It just got connected. Funky Joe default settings OBS Linux main. Yeah, but cool. Now I have to figure out something. Oh my god! It connected it. But I don't see anything. Oh, wait. We have something. Hello? Oh my god. Yeah, what's up? Oh shit. I didn't see what you said. Hold on. Oh, it's dancing. Oh, okay. It's a cat dancing. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna go in the main. So now we can go OBS. Can we show this to the? We have to install that. Oh, it says, please read this document preceding you. On the undersigned license, hereby agree to the terms of this software. Develops blah 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 license agreement. Definitions: the SDK means the entire development kit. So can I go down? Oh, loading install. Oh, it's loading still. I'm not interested on controlling, but I can apparently control Linux with this one. Can I show picture to picture? I'm gonna use main. or preview or main. How? Okay, so we're gonna go. No. Okay. Oh, I learned something. X killed something. Yay. How's everybody doing? So if I load this and it's loading, it's just a license. But is it NDI tools or what was it? NDI. Oh yeah, the NDI video, something like that. Oh, so that's interesting. It connected. It connected OBS. So if I go distribute settings, preview output, main output. Oh. Okay. So if I so let's see if let's see. Desktop mode, full string, preview. Google like none. This is my audio and video. Wait. Setting. Nothing. Oh, okay. No, and the output is. Mm-hmm. Share received source. Okay. That's so interesting. Because if I do this, that's so crazy. I cannot even load the file. Uh, and it has flat packs and shit like that. Why I'm not logged in here? For some reason in Firefox I'm not logged in. Oh yeah, because it's plenty of times. There you go. So we have to, yeah. We have close all windows. Yep, yeah, it's they don't want to close. I'm gonna use Text Manager to close it. This is a monitor. Okay. Oh, hello. What's up? Quack. Hey, Soda Kid. Sup, my furry friend? Sup? I'm actually dealing with Linux, but it seems to be crashing. Is Miss Funky or Joe of the Joe's dead? Yeah. Hold on. Opera, we're gonna end task. There we go. Fix the Opera one. Oh my god. So, what happened is that I'm actually installing some kind of a web browser. Yep. It's just shut up. Installation. So, okay. So I found something cool that you can connect with Linux, but you can send it through audio and video through IP address. But there's something called the I guess like NDI distro AV. But for some reason I cannot install it like Flatpak. Like, hold on. Flatpak uh distro AV. Yeah, I know what is that. Well, the thing about it is that you can send a video from Linux to Windows or OBS basically on here. And I'm not using for more, but that's what I'm doing right now, and I might have to go in half an hour, which sucks. But this is a screen, and that's a video import, I guess. Configure, like that's the source, that's the main, but it doesn't show anything. So okay, the source is this, and the destination needs configure. Yes. But right here, it doesn't. Can I see the source? Here's an example of plugin manifest. Okay. Oh, this is for installing plugins. Okay. I don't know how to install the Flatpak. Okay, so that's a library. That's why it doesn't work. Oh, well, I'm working on it. So how you been? 100% didn't realize this was paused. Oh, this is not paused, but the video oh. Well, I have some news. I thought you was AFK, lol. Oh. I'm here. Your stream was paused for me. Oh, Jesus. Okay. No, I'm still here. I'm gonna be off like in 30 minutes, so. But I have some news. I might not be able to do these streams for long, but I'm working on it, and I might actually go and look for a new place. Everything is okay? Well, I tell you, yeah, it's okay. I'm not gonna be on the house. I'm looking for a house, so that's that. I'm just looking for a house. I can no longer live here. But I was trying to do something today, and it turned out to be more complicated than I thought. Oh, that's poopy. Yes, it is. So I was trying to do something right now. I was just waiting for something, and I have to clean my house now, dismantle the computer and everything. But you know, I saw what you were building. I saw the post on Twitter. For those who doesn't know, should I say it? For those who doesn't know, Surokid here has actually completed a really awesome thing. It's live. Oh yeah. So what he did, it was very cool. Let me put the sound a little bit down. So what happened is that Jesus Christ, this is loud as hell. Oh, okay. Now we can talk. Okay. So Pseudokid here actually was like talking about, and I saw his progress earlier. I just was at work, but I saw his progress of actually making a controller and something to control the Wii. And he was making a really interesting control. I don't know if it's a Wii or, but yeah, it was one of these consoles, and it was almost finishing the console. The hell? Yeah, the Nintendo Switch. Oh, never mind. It's the Nintendo Switch. He was doing something like a controller to control Nintendo Switch, and I saw that it was actually fiddling with the cables and everything. And I saw a post on Twitter. And I go like, holy crap! This guy's actually going like into stuff. Then there was a post of like if he decides to go into Unity or Unreal Engine. But that's up to him. I have it live with Pokemon Shining Pearl. Lol. Holy, we are already shining. We're already shining. He's playing Pokemon Shining Pearl. So I guess he's modified, like highly modified thing here. I'm okay for those. Because this stream also goes on YouTube. I'm okay. I was gonna do a video with Crazy Joe, and but Crazy Joe's kinda also in his own kind of a thing. He was investigating a dude. Crazy Joe's cool. It's just yeah. Crazy Joe's on the VR chat guy. You can find him in VR chat. I don't know if it's there or not right now. But he goes on VR chat, and give him a follow. He's an awesome dude. You can have a good conversation with him. I also working on Linux, and I found out how to retroactive or loop back sound of microphone that is invented, a virtual microphone. So I know how to do that now on Linux. I just have to implement it. But another problem is that it's a virtual microphone, so at a certain point it will be deleted. So I'm happy that doesn't exist the whole time. So it's a null object, I guess it's called on Linux. Anyway, I found all these things, and I've been hanging around fixing my VR on. Oh, I want to say this. I want to get a new VR. I have sufficient money that I can get a new one. But because I'm moving... Oh, BRB Reality Week. Oh, yeah. So, I'll explain to him. Yeah, BR chat. BRC. I'm also interested of actually doing some gloves, because it's super annoying to have just the controllers. I get it, controllers are part of it, but it's annoying to constantly dump on them, and it's not a bad design. It was part of it. It makes sense. It also makes sense putting the gloves, you know. And there's actually potentiometers. I think there's something else called that you use metal, and you can extend it and stretch it. You're not stretching anything, you're just making the contact going further and backward, and it creates an electrical signal, and this can actually say how far your fingers are from whatever distance is like you're creating or making move your hands. So you can actually connect those to VR, and it will be very interesting to grab a pair of like gloves that you will get at the store and put electrical tape or whatever, and then invent ones that are fully functional. Um, like for example, I saw this on a Hack-A-Day VR gloves, and somebody wanted to put like lucid gloves. There you go, haptic gloves on a budget. So this is a very strange post, but there you go. There's says lucid gloves, VR haptic gloves on a budget, and you can actually create the project because it says, yeah, public chat, and you can actually talk to the public, and you go like resources, GitHub, parts list. So you go here and you go, how many parts? Part list, please. I like that it's just like fooling you around, but it's Arduino, GitHub, public roadmap. So this is the wiki, and is a prototype 4 and 5 tracking haptics. Okay, let's for. So there's an Amazon and there's an AliExpress. There you go, potentiometers for fingers. It is potentiometers. It's just what the hell? You will have like a crazy thing. Be right back too. I'm back. Back. So yeah, you can actually buy those, and oops, yeah. Hack-A-Day VR gloves. Let's see. VR glove. So this is another one. Yeah, this is more virtual reality gloves aimed to improve interactivity. So there's like interactive triumph haptic hacks. Not interested on haptic or haptic. Well, not in the basic formation. The reason why I'm not interested right now in haptic is just so we can get the point across of making things or making a BR. The problem is that I have to move again. So if you wanna, I recommend going to Hackaday and check out the stuff that you can do. OpenGeneric freeze monitor fills market void. Easy panels with inkjet, adhesives, and elbow grease. What? UV meter for the Flipper Zero. Kevin with Christina, the one wafer thin keyboard. No, I don't care. The nightmare of jailbreaking, pay to ride, gotcha e-bike. Remember the ASP that David Bowie ran for 8 years. Oh, yeah. He was on a weird shit in the 90s. That David Bowie. But I didn't know that existed, so all their posts using a PTOT tubes for more than aircraft. What? Mr. Mortals, meet the multi-system too. Holy, look at this picture. Mere mortals, look how many. 1, 2, 3 USB sticks. Probably an SD card. I don't know what these are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Jesus Christ. And you can actually interchange it, I guess. APGA, even I can use.
Not often you get offered an early look at a brand new games console before it comes to market. Or, let's be honest, that never actually happens. Except, it did. This slab of sexy black plastic is the Mr. Multi-System 2, a brand new FPGA-based games console from those clever people at Heba, who
I don't know about that. Let me see something. OBS. Send screen to WebSocket. Does that work? You know, it will be interesting to see a video of on NDI. You know, like if we go to YouTube and we go, we go to YouTube and we investigate how to use Linux, install NDI AV distro, or what was like distro AVI, distro AV or something like that. Yeah, NDI 6 or whatever.
OBS NDI GitHub page. I mean, the distro AV GitHub page. OBS wanted them to remove OBS from their name. They went with the distro AV instead of N OBS. On the release page, you get a Debian package. Oh, let's build it from source. Now, in order to do that, we need to install a couple of dependencies. Check out the build guide on interfacing Linux for all of your copy pasta needs. On Debian, it looks like this, and on Fedora, it's going to look a little.
Give me a no.
Pasta needs.
So we can go NDI 6 on my main computer here. NDI 6 GitHub. So there you go. Mac OS, Windows, NDI 6 tools, direct links. How about Linux? No, how about Linux? Okay. Because formerly OBS NDI, so distro AV, network audio video and OBS studio using NDI technology. NDI source, receive an NDI video and audio on OBS. Transmit OBS audio and audio into NDI. So the source is like, so requirements, NDI routine, and well, I installed it. References. Oh. Oh, wait. There's something else. Install distro EV. Next. So, okay. Hold on. So we have to copy this. I have to go to notes. We'll make here. We'll go way on the bottom. We paste it. And then we go to the releases so we can get like what's changed. Okay. So that's the latest. Like we can copy this. Or what is the package? Like can I see the no. Assets, XE, DTF. So this is what I have to copy. This code. All right. So this I have to go home. Shift. What is which home? Um. Uh. uh it's kind of weird how to So I'm gonna go. Oh, there you go. All right. So here we go. Here paste and code. Okay, package. Cannot access archive, distro AV, not such file or directory. Really? Hold on. Hold the phone. So if I open it like that, run anyway? Yep. Yeah, I can install it. I can install it. Please make it happen. Because if I have the program in there, now can I open it? No, I don't want that. Okay, distro AV. Explore. Let's see. Distro. AV. And anyway, it should actually say, it says uninstall, and I'm gonna get out of here because it doesn't let me install the NDI SDK Linux SH. But the distro AV, no. AV. Huh. So I wanna. So I have the tools here that I can enable and preview. And I'm thinking of actually. Okay. So I'm gonna veer off. I'm gonna get out of here and then I'll work on the Linux. So I can take this off. I can go here. I and go here. And it will say, oh, no power off. I want to restart. Restart. And it's restart. And then more music, but I'm restarting my Linux, so stuff that I work on NDI. So how to set up use WebSocket video SDK, or no, how to install it. No capture card. So I'm gonna check out what it.
OBS NDI GitHub page, I mean the distro AV GitHub page. OBS wanted them to remove OBS from their name. They went with the distro AV instead of in OBS. On the
Knobs
page, you get a Debian package. Oh, let's build it from source. Now, in order to do that, we need to install a couple of dependencies. Check out the build guide on interfacing Linux for all of your copy pasta needs. On Debian, it looks like this. And on Fedora, it's going to look a little bit like that. Once that's done, we're going to clone the Git repository and change into the distro AV directory. Now we can run CMake with a few additional moon glyphs to configure the project, followed by a CMake build, and finally...
that's already done on my computer, supposedly.
Install. Now when we launch OBS, we're greeted with task failed successfully. We still need to install that NDI SDK, so back to the terminal. I'm going to yoink a copy of
we've already done that.
To create a color space, so NDI main output and load up a video. On another PC, I'm going to create an NDI source. Select
Bingo! So, okay, we're gonna go OBS, and then we're gonna go to this OBS, and we're gonna go to the apps, and we're gonna go here. We're gonna go NDA source, but I don't have it here. Media image. So how?
Select the source from the dropdown and adjust sources. Let's enable the NDI settings under Tool. Back in OBS, we have NDI output settings under Tools and NDI source under Sources.
Okay, so under sources we have to have NDI, but I don't see it on. Oh, maybe I have to install the tools here, but I have it here. Hold on, studio monitor. Alright. This is NDI tools. Oh, we have to install distro here. So we have to go distro AV for Win. Alright. So right here we have the runtime, then we have the installation, and right here we have to get this, right? Alright, so we already have that. Then Windows is that, then Linux is that. Then here, this is what we have to install on the zip. There you go. Windows installer, and let's open it up, and there we go. That's what we needed to install here. Yeah, yep. Come on. Oh no. Does it have sources? No, and I have to stop it again. But I have to go in 10 minutes, so yay. So that's how. Well, sorry. Bye, everybody. Well, either way, I have to go. Thank you for SudoKid coming in. If it's still here, one sec. We are really quick. Hold on. I'm gonna say SudoKid, thank you for coming, but I have to go. So we're gonna go friends and sudo. No. Sudo kit. There we go. This guy. We're gonna message him and it's like, alright, thanks for coming to my stream. Gotta go. Bye. Well, for now. So yeah. Thank you everybody. Bye.